Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we'll search about PixelFlow. In this page of app info, we go here to first stop and we click OK. Then here we click on storage. In this page we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.